Hey there, fellow TCG players! UmbreonsTCG here, bringing you another 5 packs of Breakers of Limits. I already said Breakers of Limits, right?
Now you did.
Breakers of
5
Limits!
packs, go!
5 packs from the box. Blurry.
There you go.
Shio Frankenstein, the Shio Frankenstein.
Oh.
Stormray Ghost Ship. Because of
Doge!
the doggo. Carrier of the Life Water.
Thank you.
Dr. Rogue, and the rare is Desert Gunner Ryan? Yeah, something. I'm finally putting it down where you're putting all the cards down.
Rain.
Rain.
Irene is her name, and she needs no man. Is that a dude?
It's a dude.
He needs no woman. God. Look, it's Alexander Anderson again.
First shot, Bethnal? Something like that. Sorry, I was in the middle of laughing, and that's why I shouted.
Banshee, go.
Ripple Banshee, Ironheart, Mastema,
However you pronounce his name.
Hades, Steersman, and the rare is Lizard Shoulders, Slichin? Yeah.
Butchering names since I don't remember how long we started this channel. Yeah.
How long has it been?
I don't remember.
No,
Wait.
Butchering names since Vanguard started. How about that? Because I got into Vanguard when it started. Captain Nightkid. Sea Navigator Silver. Lightning Charger. Greeting Drummer. And the rare is the Phoenix
Calamity.
Calamity Flame. Calamity Flame. Million Ray Pegasus. Yay. Skeleton Assault Troops Captain.
Oop.
Heavily Injector. Dragon Dancer Katharina, and the rare is
Oop.
Miracle Feather Nurse. Looks like all the good stuff is gonna be in some of those last packs. We still need 2 more triple rares. Dang. Yeah.
Watch, there's one in there.
Watch there be an SP.
Oh, he didn't say last pack magic.
Last pack
well.
magic. Last pack magic.
Nah,
we could still say it
ruined.
because we didn't see
soiled it.
the last card.
Soiled it.
Almighty Reporter.
Oop.
Next, Hex Cannon Wyvern.
Oop.
Dragon Monk. Ensai.
Oop.
Aurora Ribbon Pigeon, and the rare is...
Are there any stand triggers in standard?
Yes. In premium, yes.
This is standard.
Oh, in standard, no.
Oh, that's a shocker. Actually, that'd be kind of broken.
Demonic Dragon Berserker Garuda.
With most effects, that'd be kind of broken. Here,
yeah,
let me just give my let me just give my
But you do know that in premium you can use standard cards.
Yes, but I'm talking about standard. If you had standard draws, imagine my Aquaforce. Hey, look, let me just untap most of my stuff, attack with them again. Hey, look, a stand. Let me untap that, and now let's attack again.
Yeah, that is pretty.
I had to kind of busted.
For me, this had a busted stand trigger before the stand trigger got banned.
The stand trigger got banned?
Well, not banned. It got limited to 1 because of the new support.
Well, that makes sense.
Because of the new support that came out.
That's what I'm saying. It's kind of broken.
Yeah.
Let's let my deck attack for 6 times in a turn as it already could. Now let's give him another couple.
It actually kind of has a 12 attack combo if you have a certain card.
Remind me to never touch premium.
Why not?
Because.
Oh yeah. Well, that is it for this video, guys. All the information is down in the description below for other channels and Patreon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more TCG content. And look forward to the next video. Bye bye.